Hi guys, Jeannie here, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another what you should and shouldn't be buying in the month. So I have been doing these videos since I think May, maybe even April. I forgot when I first started doing these videos, but I bring to you guys a video every single month telling you guys what you should and shouldn't be purchasing in the month. So I'm gonna have a printable list for you guys. My goal is for you to go ahead and print this list and just tuck it away in like a binder, and then you have a reference that you can pull to every single month on how you can get yourself prepared for the month. You can kind of look through my list and see what you should and shouldn't be buying. So I have my notes right here. Okay, so I'm sure you guys are seeing all sorts of different sales when it comes to like mattresses, linens, towels, all that jazz. It's because it's back to school season, back to college season specifically. So you're going to see a lot of deals on bed sheets and towels and pretty much anything that you would need for like living if you're like moving to like a dorm. So you'll see deals on like pots and pans. And all sorts of stuff. In September and back to school season, you're gonna see some significant declines in like airfare, as well as hotels. I know I have hopped onto my email and I see so many different deals on Groupon for different like vacation spots. So I keep on seeing emails for like the Legoland Resort. I keep on seeing emails for the Great Wolf Lodge. And when Chris and I were vacationing back in, I think we were vacationing in June in San Diego, and the hotel we were at, they had a lot of airline stewardess, so flight attendants from the Hawaiian Airlines. And I just asked them, I said, hey, like when's a really good time to be booking airfare? And they actually said the month of October is really slow because people aren't traveling in the month of October because kids are back to school and they really don't start taking like vacation time until November, December for, you know, the different holiday months. So if you're looking to maybe go somewhere on a weekend trip, maybe look into booking different like hotel rooms and flights around October. So end of September, October, and those are really good times to actually hit up Disney too. So I know Vanessa, Lemonade Mom, I'm pretty sure she's headed to Disney this current week when you're seeing this video. So it's definitely a great time to Disney as well. So Broadway week is the 3rd through the 16th of September. So you will see a lot of really good deals on Broadway shows. So if you are local to New York, or maybe if you live in New Jersey or Connecticut, maybe check your different times for some Broadway shows, because I know Connecticut and Jersey are really close to New York City in terms of like being able to drive or take the train. Don't quote me because I don't live in that area. I don't live in the tri-state area, but definitely look into that if you're looking to go see something on Broadway. So now is the time to actually purchase cars. So now automotive companies are now starting to put out their new models. So now's the time for you to go into getting like 2019 models, because now different car dealerships are now setting out their 2020 models. So if you're looking to get a better deal on a car, now would be the time to get a really good deal on a 2019 model. So if you didn't know that, September is a great month to do that. Also, speaking of new models, now is the month to actually get bicycles, because September is when they start putting out their new models for the upcoming holiday season. So if you're not particular with your models of bicycles, maybe check one of your local bike shops, and check one of your local bike shops. I'm not talking about going into Target or Walmart. I'm talking about Googling like a local bike shop in your area. And they're going to be starting to put a really nice sale on the models of 2019, because they're trying to get, you know, their floors stocked for the holiday season and getting their new models out. So if you are in the market for a bicycle, then the month of September might be the month to get one. Okay, so large appliances are also going to be on a really good sale in September. So we're talking washers, dryers, dishwashers, you name it. Check your local Home Depot, check your local Best Buy, check your local, no, Sears isn't in business anymore, but check your local appliance store because there's going to be some really good deals in the big appliance section. Okay, so Apple products are going to be on really good sale, specifically the 2019 versions, because like the bicycles and the cars, They're trying to sell out their stock of the 2019 to make room for their new models coming in for the holiday season. And if you didn't know this, Apple actually has a student program. So if you have a college student ID, I don't know if it's for high school, but I know for college students, all you need is your college EDU email address, and then you get a special rate on student, like a student discount for Apple. So that's gonna be like one of the only discounts you probably will ever see from Apple. Okay, so you're still gonna be seeing different clearances for summer gear. So we're talking clothes, we're talking outdoor gear like grills and canopies and like beach chairs, grills, did I already say grills, patio furniture, all of that stuff. You're gonna be seeing some major clearances on this stuff. You guys are probably already seeing it inside your CVS. Target's summer clearance has been gone for a while now, but CVS always seems to be really slow when it comes to that. So definitely look out for that. So also you're gonna be seeing some really good deals still on school supplies as well as denim. Yes, denim jeans. So the best time to buy denim is in the month of September. And then we also have National Coffee Day, which is coming up on the 29th of September. So make sure you mark your calendar because there's probably going to be some really good freebies when it comes to coffee at some of your local favorite coffee places. So now I'm going to run through the list that I actually found on Pinterest for some of the like seasonal produce that you should be looking out for deals. So we have corn, peaches, plums, nectarines, peppers, mangoes, green beans, lettuce, tomatoes, apples, berries, beets, cantaloupe, cauliflower, eggplants, grapes, honeydew, pears, squash, mushrooms, sweet potatoes, figs, dark greens, dark green leafy veggies. So everything. So make sure you're looking out for those sales in the produce section, and then you can kind of base your meal plan off of what is on sale. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel. Feel free to print out that printable list that I have for you guys in the description box. And if I haven't already mentioned, I apologize for my appearance today, but I don't know what it is, if it's like the weather changing, or what, but I have some sort of like sinus thing going on. Like I just don't feel good, but I definitely didn't want to wait too much longer in getting this video out for you guys because when I'm filming it today, it's already the 8th of September. So I figured I needed to get this up like sooner or later, but I didn't want to miss a month because I want to complete this whole entire series so you guys have reference for a whole 12-month of what you should and shouldn't be buying. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Charlie, do you want to let everyone know to have a good day? Come here, Charlie. Can you tell everyone to make sure that they like this video and comment and make sure you are subscribed? You want to say bye, Charlie? You want to say bye to everyone? You want everyone to say bye-bye to Charlie? I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will talk to you guys all later.